You are here, living in this crazy world of COVID, which also killed millions of businesses. What survived and thrived were online businesses. And everyone worldwide now knows they have to really learn how to make money online. These are the 3 things you need to know and start doing now. Start promoting instead of doing. You need to start promoting something that gives you a revenue stream where you don't have to do anything. Promoters are the ones that become the multimillionaires. Doers don't have time to promote and work for an hourly income. Doers rarely become multimillionaires. Secondly, create a lead revenue model. All multi-million-dollar companies like Google, Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest send leads to companies that pay them. They do not sell. Through promotions, up to 40% of people will follow your recommendations if it's beneficial to them or free to do it. And you are paid instantly when you send a lead to a business. In contrast, only 1% of your visitors may buy. But up to 40% of lead traffic may buy. That's why companies are so pushy for you to like them. The third is creating a recurring annual revenue stream versus a one-time sale. And everyone knows that you buy what you need before you buy what you want. And COVID was your greatest sales rep, letting everyone know worldwide that they need an online business that makes money with a recurring annual revenue stream. There are 2 groups of people, those with nothing to sell and those with something to sell. Let's start here. The We Empower You membership was created to give people what they need for an online business to make money and to have a reoccurring revenue stream. Briefly, it comes with an all-inclusive website, an online store, membership revenue, and lead tracking software where you can send leads to companies that pay you. You get your own TV show spotlight on the worldwide TV network to promote your online business on Google Play, Chromecast, Apple, Amazon, Roku, and Android TV with a combined audience of over 50 million. You get a sponsorship package with a list of corporations that give you money you don't have to pay back. You get media and radio station contacts with audiences over 100,000. And other business and health courses and strategies too numerous to mention. The combined value is over $30,000 and the cost for the membership is only $15.99. Even better, you're paid 50% or $800 for everyone you send to the membership that joins. And you don't have to join the membership or pay anything to promote it and make money. All you're doing is promoting, telling people there's a program on how to create an online business that makes money, that may be beneficial, and it's free for them to check it out. All you do is invite people to our free marketing meetings that run weekly, where we give tried and true strategies on how to make money online. When someone joins, you're paid 50% of the membership fee. That's $800. Plus, you're paid annually when they renew. 100 people that join through you is $80,000 annually. And the sky's the limit because you know everyone worldwide needs an online business that makes money. Now, for those people who have something to sell, love what they do, and don't want to promote the membership, I suggest you incorporate the promotion, lead, and recurring revenue strategies into what you're already doing. Decide what your message is to the world and promote it. Then direct people to a product that doesn't create work for you when it's bought. As your product is probably a one-time sale, also offer it as part of the membership, giving added value to your product for your clients. When someone decides to buy your product as part of the membership, you're paid $800. If your product only costs $200, you just made $600. Plus, when the person renews, you continue to get paid annually. You can offer your product with the membership to just your clients or include it for everyone in the membership. This way, people around the world get to know what you do. And you don't have to join the membership or pay anything to add your product to the membership. You now can make money online using the We Empower You membership through promotions, leads, and recurring revenue. You can promote what people need, an online business that makes money, while you learn how to promote and make money online. And you can make more money when you promote what you love by attaching it to a product where you don't have to do anything once it's purchased. And by including your product in the We Empower You membership will create annual income for you. So come and join our meetings every Wednesday at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. It's free to attend, to learn how the We Empower You membership can make you money and to network with the other entrepreneurs.